what's good? It's your boy TTMiles, and I'm back again with another video, man. Yes, right now, I'm driving to work, okay? I just was like, bro, I want a video today. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing my reactions. I did a couple of reactions, so I want to do a little vloggy today. I've suggested I'm going to keep the vlogs on this channel because I miss the vlogs. But this was a little quick intro, man. I ain't about to go too crazy because, of course, I'm driving to work. I'm going to show y'all the little way I drive to work, you know what I'm saying? Little time lapse of me driving to work, man. But I just feel like, you know what I'm saying, I wanted to record a video. So today I'm just gonna show y'all me in the pit doing a couple of planes, man. We're gonna turn up, man. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. If y'all new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We on the road to 10,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody that do be watching the content. But let me get off this thing, man. I'm gonna show y'all a little time lapse of your boy going to work.
All my brothers, all my guys, yeah. Knocking all these perkies back to the head. You don't need me, get the fuck, it's enough said. Let's put this shit to bed. RP juice, these drugs taking over me. Demons in my body, devil trying to get close to me. Get that exotic pack, coming straight from overseas. Went shopping in France, caught my bitch some Louis V's. Death in the air, got me feeling like I'm next. Running bands up non-stop in Nike, I come with a check. You won't get out of pocket, well it's best how you invest. But still ain't for his neck, Nina fuck him, she like sex. Feel like famous deaths cause I get drippy. Big bag of woods to the face, mama called me a hippie. Sorry ma, I'm an addict, I be steady sipping. Withdrawals from the drugs, got me acting different. Searching for my purpose while I roam the earth. Crazy, already got a death date before your birth. Told that bitch get out my face, I ain't trying to flirt. Life was hard up in them trenches, I come from the dirt. Drugs in my system, hope I don't die soon. If I do to all my people, love you to the moon. With my hands, not giving no silver spoon. Me and gang walk in the party, flash in the room. In my opinion, you have to get a mental illness, everything with your words. You legendary. You impact people life with your death, and they don't need no person. You legendary. You said way too much, you said. Paint the sky red for all my niggas, all my brothers, all my guys, yeah. Knocking all these perkies back to the head. You don't need me, get the fuck, it's enough said. Let's put this shit to bed. RP juice, these drugs taking over me. Demons in my body, devil trying to get close to me. Get that exotic pack, coming straight from overseas. Went shopping in France, caught my bitch some Louis V's.
I got shit on lock, part 2. Told this bitch to come show what that mouth do. We don't care about what set you claim, man. All of my niggas is armed and dangerous. Homie thinking he tough, we gon' spank him. Might just sit in his lobby and wait for him. It's 3:38, it's getting too late. We gotta go kick in his front door. I walk in the party with double cups. All the bitches you see wanna fuck with us. I ain't sipping Bacardi, I'm pouring up syrup. Y'all niggas gon' broke tryna catch up. I got shit on lock, right? Cause niggas so crazy, I bet he like fire. Shit gon' get lit like a lighter. She wanna fuck, make her sound like Mariah. Her nigga a bitch. He keep talking, I bet you boy end up on TMZ. I got a fuck nigga mad, cause this bitch trying her best to get next to me. Wanna be gang, these niggas won't roll with me. I got this bitch in your dick for courtesy. When you finna lay up, you adopted me. Let's leave this spot so you can suck this dick properly. I got shit on lock, part 2. Told this bitch to come show what that mouth do. We don't care about what set you claim, man. All of my niggas is armed and dangerous. Homie thinking that he tough, we gon' spank him. Might just sit in his lobby and wait for him. It's 3:38, it's getting too late. We gotta go kick in his front door.
Gotta watch for the frat. So I came in with strap. Yeah, I came in through the front, but the niggas that's with me, they came through the back. Let him run if he want. He just gon' get shot in the back. He told me to drop the location, think that nigga trippin', he know where we at. Yeah, I said I'm a born when the bread getter. Heard you be talking to them feds, nigga. Be cool for you end up like a dad, nigga. No talk cause you heard what I said, nigga. Call Benji, bet he light it up. It said how your whole team fled, nigga. Don't speak cause I don't give no fuck by the damn thing that you said, nigga.
Now your bitch said she wanna fuck with a boss. Took his bitch with some rice, yeah, he took a loss. I done touched more titties than Randy Moss. Soupy jeans, V-Low, and I'm drippin' sauce. I'ma spin in the Hellcat, then double back. Make sure they eat dead brains on the mat. Call up Ty, you know you gon' roll the runs. Call up Danny, no fan, he gon' let it spark. And my niggas is wolves, so through the night, no politics. ticking, no talking, this shit on sight. Two bitches, they feeling me, they all fight. We can fuck little bitch, you can't spend a night. Hell no. Fuck, I look like letting a bitch spend the night after I fuck. Must be tripping, bitch.
Pop on you crazy for this one.
Bro, don't get the bustin' out of nigga, I ain't worried about too much. I get the scuffin' with a nigga, bet on me you get touched. Drop all the bluffin', my nigga, these hoes will fuck your head up. Just concussion, bearable pain, when that reaper come touch. Visions of my angels, can't believe what you does. They bring chills to you when you hear they voice with no touch. Bless the bottle, put some lick out for my ones that went up. Russian wood will run it harder than an open mic punch. Wave a dead, fake the city, leave it feeling numb. Talk to work for everything, shit fucked up but far from slums. Pride, depth side, bitch, I advise you, watch how you come. Get caught like without that cannon, fuck that pride, you better run. Dogs been out the way progressing, not in zeros to they name. No, I ain't not the top just yet, but hella far from where I came. OGJ keep the pack, he bezel diamonds on his cane. Stay out the way and get that paper heavy, fuck the city fame. I've been rolling up these woods, trying to fade the pain. June 9, 2019, should never be the same. 11-9, love you man, but wish we could share lunch again. The rooms we show love to and the haters, we just let them hate. Damn, I touch a grave, fuck that you could throw the key away. If the heavy in the trunk, see signs, we slide and do the race. Pull up like I'm Curry, shoot my shot till my wrist break. Know you bro, so for sure I'm doing the most to get you straight, nigga. Bro, don't get the bustin' out of nigga, I ain't worried about too much. I get the scuffin' with a nigga, bet on me you get touched. Drop all the bluffin', my nigga, these hoes will fuck your head up. Just concussion, bearable pain, when that reaper come touch. Visions of my angels, can't believe what you does. They bring chills to you when you hear they voice with no touch. Bless the bottle, put some lick out for my ones that went up. Russian wood will run it harder than an open mic punch.
Arrival class is stop. Departure path is clear. Tow bar inspector headset works. Firewalk was completed. We got 2 wind walkers. Got people come quick like a bitch. Walk around was completed. No internal EG. That bridge is in slow box. Slow down the
Go ATS! What I do is that?
Boss for real, this power shit just in me. Niggas shot me when they crossing me. How you ballin' but can't finish? I know a blessing on the way for real. My palms really. Why would I let one double cross me one trust in a coffin. I've been working on my craft, adding oohs like I'm Harden. I got other shit I do for real. This ain't all my talent, it just this gon' get us good for real. Ain't no doubt about it.
I'll be right, I really don't like. I'll be right, I'll be right, I really don't like. I'll be right, I'll be right, I really don't like. I'll be right,